Hey guys, how you guys doing? Well, I finally, I forgot all about it, but I wanted to do it this way so you guys could actually see me catching fish and, have me. So I hooked it up to my phone this time, and let's see, we'll go from here. I got 31 minutes left on my 31 minutes, but 31%, and I got my other. There we go. So I'll move my bag over here so that way it's not all sitting on the ground. I can actually, Sorry, I'm down here for a second. Give me 1 second. And there we go. So, okay, I got that set up. Well, first I gotta say welcome to Living the Outdoors. I haven't tried the top water in a while. That's Whopper Plopper. Not Whopper Plopper, but Whopper Plopper. Check my top. But it said welcome to Living the Outdoors, and there's some fish in front of me that are dumping. They're too small to be sunfish, so I might turn it out so you guys can see, but I had to shove a stick into the ground, and so let me try to fix this, and if I can turn it. So yeah, there we go, cool. Okay, but I don't want it to fall in because it's kind of close to, there we go. You guys can see, so I'll kind of turn it where I'm going to cast. I don't got my waterproof casing on it, so I kind of got to be a little careful. So when it goes down, I don't think it will get too wet, but let's find out and see what we can get. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm trying to do as much as possible with my time. This reminds me of the old hula poppers I used to use as a kid. Feels weird not having it on my chest and having it up on that tree. But this is a spot where I was catching the nice sunfish. So I had myself a little bit of nice of a dinner. You can see all that cotton on the top of the water. But I like to share with you guys. Oh, there we go. Nice. There we go. This is what I wanted. Hope I don't get my hand hooked. It wasn't getting off. Those two hooks in front. So there you guys go. The first bass. Perfect. I was gonna say, well, I've seen everybody started doing the online tournaments, so I figure, I'll do it, but I'm gonna do the all YouTuber tournaments. So if anybody is interested, let me know. They can hit me up on my Facebook Messenger, or I'll leave my email below, or you can do it on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested in doing that, or if you're local and you guys want to do it, so I'll be doing local as well. The entry fee is going to be $50. I wasn't say 55, but the way everything's going on, I know people don't got the money, but then people, they do, since, they're collecting unemployment. But I'm just going to make it across the board for everybody, $50. So if you would like to join, let me know. Like I said, I'll leave the message or the info on the bottom. it will be just like with the kayaks. It's getting to be pretty popular with that. So, you know, to take the picture, probably going to be using Kearney X or Fish Brain, one of those two. So you guys just, you know, look out for it. And I know my son, he wants to do a tournament. So I'm waiting for him to come up here. You know, just kind of have a little bit of issues with that. I don't want to discuss that. But, yeah. Well, let's just get back to fishing. Well, there's one fish for you guys. Oh, I don't want to get that in the tree. Usually I catch one bass or something, like one or two, and then I gotta switch over to, you know, a jig or something like that for the sunfish. Alright, I'm just going to switch over because I don't got much time, and I like to try to see what I can get, see if there's any nice sunfish around here. I mean, it's nice down here. I like the spot, and I appreciate the people who let me fish. They're really nice people. I've been fishing down here for so long. As long as you keep the property clean and everything like that, usually don't have a problem with people. I like to keep it clean down here, and I don't know if you guys can hear me over here, but wow, all that cotton. Ah. Now I'm going to have to switch out to a jig. I could try to find some worms. Let me see if I can find a couple of worms. Alright, everybody. Well, I just put on a jig with the black. You guys can see, but fishy, come and get it. Let's see what I can get. Oh, fix the. I'm getting one to try to take it. There we go. Ooh. There we go. No bait needed. There's one. Ooh, this is a bass. It says not. It's a nice sunny. It is nice sunny. Yeah, not bad. Number 2. Yeah, I don't need any more worms. Another one. Yeah, I could have just saved digging in some worms and just heck? Oh, I thought I was like, what the heck? How would I hook him? But he's also tangled up. Does the hook go all the way through and off the other side real quick? Fire! Another one. Oh, no, no, no. I want my... There we go. I should take a little bit of super glue and super glue it so that way I don't end up losing my little worm. I have to shower again. I took a shower before I left and I wasn't expecting to come fishing. Hey, when you squeeze them, you can feel them pissing in your hand. Oh, my shirt's going to be all full of fish. I like these jigs. They work actually really good. Get off a little bit farther. Oh my luck, if I did try to cast it, I'd end up breaking that little branch right there with all this cotton on my string. Another one. A nice one for eating. Man, I like to try to flay them right away where they're live, because when they get dead, it seems like they shrink. I don't know if anybody else kind of noticed that or thinks that, but like the skin is just... Ooh, this one feels nice. Is it? But then again, they kind of pull harder than what they actually feel. What number am I on? Oh. It's going. Dang, this is starting to go quick. Oh, dang, they just ripped this thing up. There you go. I knew you could get out. You didn't need my help, did ya? Is what, 4? Or is that number 5? Ah, another one. Oh, this, dang. That one really had a pee. That's not good. Got the team in the corner a little bit. Cool. check out Everyday Pikachu Hat Fisherman. Check them out, they're really good. I don't know, his name is Angel, and he's doing the challenge to fish 365 days a year, and he's at 154 right now. So go check him out. Check out Tag and Tails Outdoors. He doesn't do just fishing, he does hunting, he does holes for carp, so he does both. He also fishes for multi-species. Whatever you can catch, you'll fish for. So check them out, and like and subscribe and follow them. I'll link theirs down. I'll put them down at the bottom so you guys can check them out. I don't know if you guys can start to see or not, but I'm going to be going here in a few minutes. I thought I'd just do like a little short video for you guys, and while I'm getting my line wet. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the videos I put out. What'd they do? They'll shut off or what? Not cool. Oh, you hit that right away. There we go. And no, I think he took a leak when I hooked him. Scared the piss out of him. It's always a fish, even if you get fish for about half hour or so. Good stress reliever. Wish there wasn't this many mosquitoes. No, geez, little bugger. Ah, just took it. Why? Why did you have to do that? Bugger. Well, I gotta get more of those anyways, so I know next will be another black one. Well, I'm glad I got a little bit of worms. Dang, why just named the mosquito's #1 state bird? It's got wings, right? Bugger flew my mouth. Nice full moon. Had a wedgie. Cool. Got a jumper. And it's nice to take some of these sunnies out of here. So there's just so many of them. And that way, once they can get big again. Oh, there you go. So I was going to have to help you. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the short video, and I will catch you guys later. Well, you guys have a good night. I appreciate you guys tuning in, even though it's a short video. Not no, the other one I did was an hour. I had to actually edit out a lot of it. Otherwise, it would have been an hour of just me being boring. So you guys have a good night. I appreciate you guys tagging along. So I will catch you guys later. Peace out. Remember, like, subscribe, follow me, share, and also follow Tagging Tails Outdoors and Everyday Pikachu Hat Fisherman. Hey, Angel, I remember yours. So you guys have a good night, and I will catch you guys later. Alright, thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. I don't know, I kind of just went around a little bit, you know, brain fart, you know. Here's another one. Well, I decided, you know, I'd just turn it on, and if it's anything good, I can just edit out some of the darker. When it starts to get a little darker out there, you know, I just edit out what you can't see. Ooh, they're right next to this rock. Right on top of the rock, actually. But they're smaller ones. This is where the bigger ones were sitting. I mean, I just grab like any little things I can put worms in. I save them. This was for those gum. So, oh, me and little containers. I always find a use for them somehow, some way. Oh. Maybe I should just cast it. Like the bigger ones are not over there now, really. Dang, this mosquito, I even got mosquito spray on. Alright, time to go. Time to go, Joe. Oh, cool. Okay, I thought I was going to get caught on the edge of a stick or something.